Hello guys, this is your friend Amjad from English TV. Today I have brought another phrase for you guys, which is to get cold feet. What does that mean? I'm telling you. Okay, so let's have a look at the meanings and explanation for this phrase, then you will get to know. So, meanings and explanations. This phrase means to lose your courage, confidence, or to become frightened to do what you planned to do. Okay, so this phrase means to become nervous, frightened, and to lose your confidence or courage. Okay, so now I'm giving you the examples, and from those examples, you will learn how to use this phrase. This is really commonly used English phrase these days. Yeah, so my friends, have a look at these examples. Yeah, so the first example is I planned to speak English with my friend on live phone call, but I got cold feet. It usually happens, my friend, with everybody who speaks it first time. Okay, again, read the phrase with me. I planned to speak English with my friend on live phone call, but I got cold feet. I got nervous. Okay, so this is really simple. You will understand. Okay, so let's have a look at the second example of this phrase. Okay, so the second example is my friend has got cold feet when the dog started barking. Okay, I always get cold feet when the dog is barking. Yeah, I get nervous. In this uh, example, the um, phrase means that I got frightened. Sometimes it means to get nervous, but sometimes it means to get frightened or to be afraid. So when dog is barking, it's obvious that you will get frightened. Yeah, so for this, instead of using frightened, we use the phrase to get cold feet. Yeah, my friend has got cold feet when the dog started barking. Yeah, my friend. So let's have a look at another example. Yeah, I'm making it clear for you to understand it. Therefore, I'm giving you simple examples, practical examples I'm giving you. Hope you will understand. So, the third example for this phrase is you will get feet, you will get cold feet when you sit in the IELTS exam. Okay, that's truth. That's really truth. Yeah, you will get cold feet means that you will become nervous when you sit in the IELTS exam. Okay, that's really clear example of this phrase to get cold feet. Yeah, okay. So the fourth and last example we have here is most people get cold feet to speak in public. I also do. I also get cold when I speak in front of a big number of people. Yeah, I mean in public. Do you also have the same problem? Most of you, I hope, will be facing this problem. Yeah, it's usual problem. Okay, but my goal here is to understand you. Okay, how to use this phrase, and if someone is using, then you will get the meaning of this phrase because it's really commonly used in every English conversation. Yeah, I have lots of other phrases, idioms that are daily used in English, but I will teach you. I will tell you about them in next videos. Okay, my friends, so hopefully you will have liked this video. Yeah, if you have, if you will, please um, give me a big thumbs up. Okay, share the video, and please subscribe the channel. This is my humble request to all of you guys to subscribe my channel, because I'm new on YouTube, and you can see I have just a few subscribers. So when you subscribe me, I will get 1,000 subscribers very soon. And then I request you to share this video with all your friends on WhatsApp groups. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. I have posted my number down in the description box. You can find it from there, and you can contact me. Please turn on the subtitle for all of my videos if you don't understand. And if you want to translate, if you want me to translate this English speech, this English conversation into your own language, please comment down, let me know in the comment. I will translate that into your own language. Okay, my friend, hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, we'll see you in next video. Take care.